Assalamualaikum and hi. The first module in this course is Introduction to Logistics. At the end of this module, the students or the learners should be able to discuss what is logistics and what is the roles played by logistics activities. I want to give you a situation which it shows the importance of logistic activities. We can take one example: poor transportation infrastructure and high levels of inventory actually disadvantage for the expansions of any country's economy. Here, we can say that logistics is very important in contributing to nation's economic growth as well as development. So, in this module, we will look out the roles which is played by logistic activities, as well as to give you an understanding about what is the definition, what is actually the meaning of logistic. So, what is logistic is all about? It is very important for us to understand what logistic is. Logistic involve three main functions, which is plans, implements, and controls. These three things are important in ensure the efficiency and effectiveness, forward and reverse flow of the storage, goods and services, as well as related information. In logistics, it incurred 2 points. It begins at the points of origin and it will end at the point of consumption. Why logistics is important? Because these activities is important because it needs to meet the customer's requirements. So what are the customer requirements? In logistics, as a logisticians, we need to think three things in order to understand the customer requirements. The first one is mass logistic. Mass logistic, we can it is like a one-size-fits-all logistic approach in which every customer gets the same type and level of logistic service. The second one is tailored logistic approaches. This is, it means that customers with similar logistical needs and wants are provided with logistic service appropriate to their needs and wants. This one's known as tailored logistic. And the third one is humanitarian logistic. Actually, in these types of logistic activities, it's more to non-for-profit situation. Briefly, it can be defined as the process and systems involved in mobilizing people's resources, skills, and knowledge to help others who are affected by a natural or human-made disaster. For instance, natural disasters such as earthquake, they need and require food and medicine supplies to be located, collected, transported, and distributed. Okay, so this is humanitarian logistic. this flow, it is like a summary of value chain analysis. Okay, how does the logistic happen and what are the process incurred in value chain analysis, or we can say is in the logistic activities. That's all for the first chapter in Introduction to Logistics. So, what are the roles of logistics? We can see the roles of logistics actually in three things. In terms of mass logistics, in terms of tailored logistics, and the third one in terms of humanitarian logistics. But in the business industries, either in the retail industries, in the manufacturing industries, it is more to the tailored logistics. Okay, that's all. Thank you.